DIY turmeric face mask, to fade scars/wrinkles, and have a clear, bright, glowing, radiant and acne-free skin. Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. Do you have acne, and other skin problems like pimples, scars, and dark circles under the eye? These skin problems can make you look much older than your age and affect your self-confidence. You can have skin so clear, that people will think you are wearing makeup. This can be achieved easily using gold facials at home, made with turmeric powder. Results are much better than expensive facials at salon. Turmeric, botanically known as Curcuma longa, belongs to the Zingiberaceae family. Turmeric is one of the most useful herbal medicinal plants on earth. It is an all-natural skincare ingredient that can be applied topically for a glowing skin. Turmeric, also known as the golden spice, has very low toxicity, and exhibits great promise as a therapeutic agent. It has been used for at least 6,000 years in traditional medicine and religious practice. Turmeric has received much interest from the medical, culinary, and the cosmetic world because of its biologically active constituents. The most biologically active constituent of turmeric is curcumin, which gives it the yellow color. Curcumin contains vitamins or vitamin precursors which produces vitamin C, beta-carotene as well as polyphenol coupled with fatty acid and essential oil. Other curcuminoids present in turmeric are dimethoxycurcumin and bis-dimethoxycurcumin. Turmeric is generally used in a powdered form in drinks and various dishes such as curries, rice, and beans. Turmeric is also taken as a supplement in capsule or tablet form. Nutrients in turmeric and their benefits for skin. Vitamin C helps build up collagen and maintain skin tautness and elasticity. Potassium moisturizes and hydrates skin cells. Calcium composes the uppermost layer of skin and heals dry, withered skin. Vitamin B6, necessary for new skin cell formation, keeps skin moisturized and healthy. Magnesium, for youthful radiant skin, slows down the aging process of skin. Turmeric face mask. Potential skin-caring effects of turmeric are related to their antioxidant, antiseptic, antibacterial, and anti-inflammatory properties. Turmeric face mask helps to slow naturally the appearance of aging, anti-aging, wrinkles, protect the skin against UV radiation, and acts as a natural healing agent for such skin conditions as eczema, dry skin, and psoriasis. Turmeric also helps to brighten the skin, make the skin look more radiant, improve complexion and tighten skin pores. Furthermore, turmeric mask prevents and fights acne and acne scars, reduces redness, inflammation, removes facial hair and helps to remove dark circles under the eyes. Ingredients for the preparation of turmeric face mask. 2 tablespoons pure turmeric powder. 2 tablespoons olive oil, coconut oil, or almond oil. 3 tablespoons milk or plain yogurt. 1 tablespoon flour, all-purpose flour, white rice flour or chickpea flour. Half tablespoon honey. Directions. Mix the above ingredients thoroughly in a small bowl, until you get a creamy consistency. Use a gentle facial cleanser to remove all traces of makeup from the face. Wash the face with warm water to open up pores, and allow the nutrients in turmeric to sink in. Pat the face dry. Apply the mask all over the face including underneath the eye, to remove dark circles with a foundation brush, or your fingers, with gloves. Leave the mask on for 20 minutes, and then wash off with lukewarm water. To get the yellow stain off the face completely, use a toner and a makeup remover. Wipe face with a damp towel. The skin is glowing now. Cover and preserve the remaining mask in the refrigerator for 5 days. Apply the mask at least once a week. For serious cases of acne and other facial problems, apply 3 times a week. Tip: be careful so you don't remove your eyebrows and hairline in the process of applying the mask, as turmeric also helps remove facial hair. Thank you for watching my video. Please, remember to leave your comments below. Thank you.